Hello everyone, welcome to Fashion with Fabrics. Today in this video we will see how to make a kuchu using beads. So let's get started. To show this I have taken this blouse piece and it has a border like this. You can take any sari or any shawl. Okay, then I have scissors, big beads, small beads, measuring tape, marking chalk, thread and silk thread. I have taken two colors of silk thread, jerry thread, big needle, small needle and fabric glue. I have made a bunch using this silk thread as you can see here. You can see my previous videos if you want to learn how to make this. So basically here I have wound this silk thread 70 times and I have made one end as pointed using the fabric glue. Okay, I have taken two colors of thread here. I have taken the colors so as to match this border. Okay, now let us see how to make this. Okay, here on the cloth I am marking 3 inches apart. You can do it more or less according to how you want it. Keep the small needle ready with the jerry thread. Take the big needle and make a hole on the first line. Insert this bunch of threads from the back side. Pull the thread. Make sure that all the threads are straight. And keep these threads as long as you want. Now we are going to tie with the jerry thread. Okay, bring the small needle from behind in the middle as I am showing here. Hold the thread tightly which is towards the back side and then start putting the knots. Bring the jerry thread around this bunch of threads and insert it into this loop here and put a knot. Tie 2 more knots. Bring the needle through this center part here from right to left, and this side also we will tie the knot. Okay, I have put 2 knots this side. Now insert this needle from top towards the bottom in the center. Okay, keep the threads as long as you want, then cut it. Similarly, I will make the kuchu at all these points wherever I have marked. So now I will start making the kuchu at this second line. Here I am using the second color of threads. That is, I am using black here. Follow the same method as I have done for the first one. Okay, here as you can see, I have made the kuchu on these lines. Now in between these two kuchus, I have marked two more lines 1 inch apart. I have taken this small needle with the thread here. Now I am going to make use of the beads in between these. Bring out the needle through this first kuchu, that is from back to front. Bring it from left to right through the center. Now I am going to insert 7 small beads through this thread. Now insert one big bead and one small bead. Okay, now as you can see here, leave this small bead and insert the needle through this big bead. Now when you pull this thread, it will come like this. Again I am going to insert 7 beads here. Now insert this needle through this mark, that 1 inch mark. Insert the needle through that. Now again bring the needle out through this first bead. Okay, through this first small bead, bring the needle out. Okay, now when you pull the thread, it will be something like this. See, you can see this V shape here. Similarly, I am going to make throughout this border. Okay. Now here I am going to insert only 6 beads because there is one more bead here, so totally it will become 7. So insert 6 beads. Now again one big bead and one small bead. As I did earlier, leave this one small bead and insert the needle through the big bead. Again I am inserting 7 beads here. So this side it will be 6 and this side it will be 7 beads. Bring out the needle through this mark here. Again insert the needle through this first small bead. Now again it is 6 beads here. Now one big bead and one small bead. Okay, put it like this. Insert the needle into this big bead and pull the thread. Now again I will put 7 beads here. Okay, bring the needle out through this point. Put a knot here and make it tight. Bring out the needle through this first bead. Now here also I am going to continue with the same procedure. First I will put 7 small beads, then again one big and one small bead. So like this I will continue. Okay, so in the end you can put some fabric glue here so that the knots will not come off. Okay friends, after completing it will look something like this. Here I have taken 6 and 7 beads. So you can make use of any number of beads as you like. According to the length of this arch you can make the changes. And here in between two kuchus I have made 3 arches. Right, so you can make any number of arches as you like. So this is how we can use different beads to make kuchu on any sari or any shawl. Friends, I hope you like this video. I hope you will try this and let me know how it came out. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.